Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build one demo creating data sciences at Uber. And I hope you will also enjoy this project like in our previous projects of Python in data sciences and in artificial intelligence. So this project is also of data sciences. But before that, if you are new here, so please hit the subscribe button. Then after you have to also hit the notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So from that it will be also help for you and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be learning more new things, more new clones and more new projects which I will be uploading of many other languages in future and which I have just already uploaded. And if this video is really helpful for you, so please smash like button also, because it is also really help for me. So do that. So now we'll be starting with our project of like we want to build. So for building the project, first of all you have to do one thing, like you have to open your PyCharm text editor, and in that you have to make one package. So you can use old package or new package, is over to you if you want to just use. So my opinion is to just use a new package, because from that it will be not any confusion for you also and for me also. So just do that. And now when you've done with your package, just you have to do one thing, go to your package, then press right click on that and hover on new or press that. You will be getting many options here like file, new, scratch file, directory, Python package, Python file, HTML file, editor, config file, and resource bundle. So you can see how many of the options are coming. So you can just select any of the options from here, but we are just building a Python file, means we are working with Python in data sciences. So obviously I'll be selecting a Python file. So press one Python file here. Now when you've done with that things, now it will be asking to just give your Python file name. So you can just give any random name to your Python file, like just come here and write that to like just come and then write here data. So when you've done with that, just you don't have to just write .py here, because in PyCharm text editor, like I've telling you, don't have to just write .py to just save your Python file, because it will be automatically save your Python file into Python file. So you don't have to do that here. So I'll be just pressing enter. You can see now your data file is changed into like Python file here to txt. So when you've done with that, just open your folder in which I will be just working with. Then I will be taking this file which is called testmodel.py, and I'll be moving that to my PyCharm text editor. So you can see this contains these all things which we have to just write and work with. So just move at the top. Then you have to do one thing here. Before that, I will be just moving down. Then you have to just move here and you have to define some of the paths, means some of the package. So here I'll be writing as pandas as pd, like we defined. Then you have to define this import numpy as np, define import skippy. Then you have to also import this time and import here like import date time. So just import that here as dt, which is a short form of that. Now you have to just write here like import os and import cvt. Okay, cv2, sorry. So here I'll be writing cv2. When you've done with that, just you have to move down. Then I will be just writing this capital T and equal. You can see there it is written underscore path, write that equal. Then when you've done with that, you can see there it is written models in one string, which is in small. Then two backslashes are here. Then there it is written like DriveNet. Now when you've done that, just write two backslash again. Then I will be writing 15856. The number you have to just write it correctly, 72804. So when you've done with that things here, I will be now coming. Then I will be writing underscore 0.164. Then I will be just writing that to like underscore 0.943. So when I'm done with that things here, I will be now writing this model dot h5. Then I will be just coming here and then I will be writing that to like DriveNet, and here I will be just writing equal. Then I will be just writing that to like load model. So here I'll be now writing that. So when you're done with that things here, I will be now writing d and path. So just I'll be writing that. So when you're done with that, just you have to write same d and path which we have written at the top. So when you're done with that things here, I will be now just coming. Then I will be writing c and path equal. Then you have to just write here another thing which should be like models. So just write that. Write two backslashes here. Then write that to like CrashNet. And when you're done with that, just write this two backslashes here. Then I will be writing that to 15856. So this is not the same number at the top, it is just different. So take care about that. Then write 72 and the last number should be different. You can see it is 812. Write underscore 0. And when you've written that, just you have to do one thing here. I'll be writing 0.00507. Then you have to just write this, and then I'll be writing model.h5. Now you have to move down here. So when you've done with that, just write here like CrashNet equal. Then you have to just write here like load model. So just write that. Now when you've done with that things, here I will be now writing that to like cn path. Then you have to just come underneath here. So when you've done with that things, just write here like print, and you have to just write one string here and write here like model. And when you've done with that, just here you have to write loaded. Now just write this mark here. Then I will be just moving down and write that to like threshold equal. Then you have to write r here. So when you're done with that things, here I will be now just coming. Then you have to just write threshold like that. So you can see we have done that. Just erase this new from here and it is good. So when you're done with that thing, just you have to write 0.0095, write hashtag because now we have to write comment. Right here like error above and in the end you have to just write. So when you're done with that thing, just I'll be moving forward here. Then you have to just write here this will, and here you have to just write like be considered. And when you've done with that thing, just you have to move here and then write here like as warning. Then you have to just move down and you have to just write here another thing which will be like if, and then you have to just write if name. Then you have to just write this underscore here and write equal main, and here also. So when you're done with that thing, just I'll be writing this semicolon and coming underneath. Then you have to just write here main like that. So when you've done with that, just save here by pressing save all button. So when you've done with that thing, just you have to do one thing. You have to just move at the top and you can see we have done with that things. If I move here, so it is good. So I'll be pressing enter here so I can just take that to in second line. Then I will be closing this. But before that I have to just write this above thing which is just coming. So I will be moving to data.py file. Then I will be just coming underneath here and I will be just writing that to like if e. Then I will be just moving forward and writing that to in keys. Then I will be just writing this semicolon, move down, and I'll be writing if post, make this semicolon and coming underneath. Then I will be writing that to like post equal false. So now just we have to come underneath again. Then write that to like print, make this, and then I will be just pressing Ctrl Z, make this one string here. In one string I'll be writing and post, make this mark. Then I will be moving down and writing that to like time dot sleep 1. So you can see we have done with that things, and here I will be now writing else, make this semicolon and move down here, and I'll be writing that to like print pausing. Then just make this like colon. Then I will be doing one thing here, like I will be writing this p here. So when you've done with that things, here I'll be now writing that to like post equal true. Then I will be just coming underneath here, and when you've done with that thing, just I'll be writing release key, make this bracket, and then I will be writing that to like a. So when you've done with that things, I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing that to like release key. Then I will be just making this bracket here, writing that to w. Then I'll be writing release key. Then I'll be making this bracket here, and I will be writing that to like d. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be moving down and writing that to like release key, making this bracket here, and then I will be writing in that like d. So when you've done with that, we have just already done that. So here I'll be now writing 1. So now we have to write time dot sleep. So just I'll be now writing time dot sleep. So when you've done with that thing, here I will be now coming underneath. So when you've done with that, just I'll be going back a space, and then I will be just writing here. You can see it is done. So when you've done with that thing, just I'll be doing one thing here, like I'll be moving down. Then if I move to top, so you can see there it is written these things here. So you can see that it is written pause def main. So here I'll be now coming writing def main bracket, and just you have to write the semicolon, move down, write that to like countdown. And when you've done with that thing, here you have to just write 5. Now when you've done with that, just I'll be coming underneath. Then I will be writing post equal false. Then I will be just coming underneath here, and I will be writing that to like while true. And you have to do one thing here, like I'll be just coming underneath. Then I will be writing that to if not post. Then I will be just writing the semicolon here. Then I will be just coming underneath. So when you're done with that, just I'll be writing screen equal grab, and here I'll be writing a screen. Then I will be just doing one thing. I will be writing this bracket here, and I'll be writing region equal. Then I will be making this bracket, and I'll be writing 270 comma 250, and I will be writing this comma 650 comma 450. So when you're done with that, just I'll be moving down. Then I'll be writing that to like minimap equal. Then write that to like grab screen. And now here I will be just making this bracket and writing that to like region equal. make this bracket here and write that to like 100, 390 comma, write that to 230 comma 490. So when you're done with that, just I'll be moving down. Then you have to just write here screen equal. Then I will be just writing that to a tag which should be cv2.resize. Then I will be making this, and here I will be just writing that to like screen comma 80. Then I'll be writing comma, and here you have to write 200 comma. Then I'll be using that here, saving here, and when you've done with that things, you can see we have just defined that here. So when you've done with that, just save that all things. So now you can just run that. Go to run command. Okay, so go to run, then you have to press data, and then it will be take some time, and it will be just running your command prompt. You can say terminal. So like that you can just build your own identifying these things. Like that you can just build this project like that. So I hope you understand how to build this project in Python in data sciences, and I will be also bringing up some of the projects like that, and I hope you will be enjoy that also. So this practice all project we are working with, and I will be also bringing up Node.js and like many tutorials in future, and I hope you'll be enjoying that. So this video is also really helpful for you. I hope like previous one also it is also really helpful. So this practice at all project we are working with, and I hope you'll be a good from that, because now you have to practice day by day of these projects. These projects are, some of them are simple and some of them are really difficult. So you have to practice all the project of which I am working with, because from that it will be just really good for you, and when you will be just working, so it will be really easy for you to just remember these are the projects which you have practiced. So like that you can build. So I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.